Us humans are social beings. We thrive from connection, whether that's with friends, family, or a wider community. And that connection is an important factor for our well-being. We all need a level of interaction with others. And research shows that boosts our sense of self-worth and belonging. Those who are more connected to others, be it friends, family, or a wider community, are physically healthier, they're happier, and they suffer less from mental health problems than those who are less connected. Of course, that level of interaction will be different for everybody. Meeting new people can be challenging for some, but simply saying hello to a neighbour or walking in places where you'll cross paths with others will create opportunities to connect. Not only will this play its role in boosting your well-being, it could help improve the health of the overall community too. If you'd like to go one step further, you might like to join a club such as a walking group or volunteer at a local charity. Researchers believe that even participating in random acts of kindness can increase our sense of social connection by providing opportunities for informal and casual interactions with others. They also found a strong connection between kindness and having a sense of purpose, which increases happiness and well-being. In fact, there's tons of research showing the many benefits of being kind towards others. Interestingly, developing feelings of social connectedness can start from home. A study in 2008 found that practicing the loving-kindness Buddhist meditation can increase feelings of connectedness and positivity towards others. More recent research suggests that, in fact, any act of mindfulness practiced prior to social interactions can have this same effect. Whilst technology can be a great tool to interact with loved ones from afar, it's important to be mindful of our use of technology. While social media certainly has its positives, some studies have shown that increased social media use correlates to increased feelings of anxiety and depression. The key takeaway is to be mindful of those interactions that we have with others, to use social media to its advantage, and the great outdoors is another opportunity to connect with others. So how will you connect to others today?